might look at some 40 calls in AMC later on today. We'll see what happens. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. Good morning, Diane. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, I think we missed the bottom in Baba yesterday, huh? Wackadoodle. You know, we had pivot points. We had everything down there yesterday. It was the 7th day down in a row. Hit our pivot point at 153. We were bidding 152, and we didn't get it. What you going to do? We are watching it this morning. I have no idea what it's going to do, up, down, or sideways. We have a little bid down at 166 if we spike down $3, and 172.80 is daily resistance. So that's the trend line. If we spike up there, it's probably going to be a decent short. We will see what happens. Thinking I should have sold my NVIDA yesterday. I don't know. NVIDA, you know, did it get a little pricey maybe? Yes. Did it get a little stretched out on the daily? Yes. You know, if we walk into another big update today, I'm going to look into be short NVIDIA. But I still like the stock. I mean, 215.60 in NVIDIA is our pivot point. We got a little marker out there in case we spike right down. And maybe we'll jump in and grab a little bit. We'll see what happens in that. It's a morning to be, anyway, you can't do anything about what you should have done yesterday, right? Doesn't matter. Yesterday's history. Tomorrow's a promise. Stay in the precious present. That's the name of that tune. AMD. Yeah, spiking up a little bit, AMD. 111 could be a little short off the opening in AMD. MRNA was a great trade this morning early. It's right back down there now, though. Look at it, hit this pivot point at 403 and change and went up $5. So now we got a little marker at 397, and then 394.20 is a level where we definitely want to buy a little bit. Let me put that out there. I'm going to put out 394.50. Again, we start small in the morning. Won't panic out if it goes down $10 from here. 394.50 is our pivot point. Let's see what happens. I love MRNA. It's been a good trader for us, Box. So, yeah, PDD had earnings. That's on our list today. We will watch it. I get a little short if it goes up $4 just to get a little marker. See what happens. Buy the SoFi dip. We're in SoFi. Our average is 14.18. We originally bought it at 15.60, sold 16.50, 17.50, bought it back at 13.75. So we're in a little bit long term. We'll see what happens with that. MRNA just did a double bottom and bounced. Yeah, Pan W's is going to be a little spready for us. I mean, it looks great. The earnings were great. We're above all the important levels again, daily and weekly. Could be a little resistance up at this 427.40, right? That's our pivot point. That would be, what, $9 away from the moving average. I miss being in a trade, still working on my small account. All right, Julie, go nice and slow. You'll get there. You will get there. Peloton, TTD. Let's look. TTD, let it open. Let's see what happens. Peloton. Maybe Peloton sets up for a little trender here. Let's keep our eyes on it. We're still long a little Vroom. That's a little bit above our average now. Dick's Sporting Goods. No volume in Dick's. Come on, MRNA, do your thing. Off the opening, go down $5. Go down $5. Whoa, PDD just spiked up to 94, guys. What are they at? Macro. That was a little far from moving average trade up there. Got up to 94.40. If you shorted it, I would just try to cover it around 93.16, something like that. Oop. PDD just went down $1.50, guys. Boom. If you got it, get in and out real quick. See what the next move is. We're going to rip right up. You son of a beeswax. Baba doesn't know what it wants to do yet. Sitting all over the place. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, PDD worked for a quick dollar, but whatever. It was very early. NVIDIA, spike up, spike down. Not doing anything now. All right, let's make a small order in NVIDIA at 215.60 to buy. We spike all the way down there. Don't panic out. If it holds that level, we can add to it. 215.60. Laka laka. PDD may be far from moving average now, guys. I would look at it. A little spready, but that's a spot that you only can look far from moving average now. STX. Yeah, I mean, STX probably gave you one down there. And 86.50 in STX is a good buy. 86.50. Mara and UPST. Oh, Mara, we like 34, guys, right? You got a little at 35.50. 34 is a good spot. Yeah, crypto's coming in pretty good here. All right, let's see what happens. Baba coming in a little bit. Again, we're going to be patient in these things. I don't know how far Baba can go down. Let's see what happens. Yeah, be patient with Baba. Bitcoin hit the pivot. Pfizer goes down like MRNA. All right, MRNA, 397 is a little spot, right? And then we're buying some around 395, 394.20. 394.50 MRNA. We're definitely buying a little bit. Oh. 94.50. We got a little NVIDIA. All right. Let's see what NVIDIA does here. See if we get a bounce. So a little NVIDIA up here, guys. NVIDIA almost got to the far from moving average trade. Sell a little at selling a little NVIDIA here, 216.40, guys. Boom, out of NVIDIA, 216.80. Oh, tried to get out of it. All right, you guys should be out of NVIDIA. Right around that 216.80 level. Boom, out. Nice job, guys. MRNA. Great call, MRNA, Ken, on that 397 and change. Let's take our profits in MRNA. Went a little bit below it, but up $3, MRNA. Great call. Out of MRNA above 399. Nice job, guys. Perfect NVIDIA, perfect MRNA. Let's leave the 394 in MRNA. Canceling the other orders. Wow. Great job in MRNA, guys. Great call. Great call. The video was perfect down there, too. We got in and out. All right, that's fine. Oh, Baba, right off the 168.20, 200 EMA. All right, we weren't looking at it. So, no big deal. That was a great spot, though. UPST, what are you doing? Oh, 210. Nice job, Lou. Look at UPST, guys. Right to the pivot point at 210 and change. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka. All right. Good start to the morning, guys and girls. MRNA gave us, what, $3? The video, we got $1. The video is coming in, Ellen. Ah, I'm sorry, Scoob. Well, NVIDIA is not a $400 stock. It's a $200 stock. UPST, too. Lou nailed the pivot point in that one. Look at that. So all these levels that we're looking at, guys and girls, it's all the technical analysis that we use. And you can see how nicely everything has worked yesterday and today. But look at UPST at 210. I mean, that was perfect. Myrna, we had a nice VWAP down there. Yeah, Myrna's a home run, guys. 5 points now, Kent. Great job on that 397 call. Look, it went a little bit below it, but that's Myrna. It only went $1 below it, so that's nothing in Myrna, right? Boeing spiking up and down. GTS. GTS is a takeover. It's not going to trade, guys. Futu. Give it a little time to set up. PDD. PDD is a trend trade, guys. If we can get a pullback in PDD, we're buyers, right? I had 3 orders filled out. That was a little nerve-wracking, but paid off. Yeah, they all paid off nicely, Jim. All right, we can cancel Myrna for now. That ain't happening. Yeah, PDD, guys, we want to buy if we can get a pullback. It's like 91.80. We'll look for a far from moving average trade maybe at some point in PDD. Futu was a hanging. Myrna, that was a nice bounce. We look for a pullback in Myrna. NVIDIA, perfect bounce off that level for $2 now. Wow. Just a little patience in the morning and your day's over already. Very nice. Billy. Billy. All right. Couldn't get to that 79. Setting up for a better trend trade now, Billy, right? BBY. Sava. BBY is a better buy than sell now, guys. Yes, that has had earnings. I would be a buyer on a pullback. SoFi is getting some nice legs here, guys and girls. Some nice legs in SoFi. Go, baby. Go, baby. I would sell a little SoFi above 15, guys. That'll give us $1 profit on our trade. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Myrna looks like a better sell. Let's put a marker down at that 394 level. Not a marker. We'll put an order, 394.50. Gotta like that. Off. Wow. Boeing, what do we got? 222.60 short. That would be up $2. Boeing, I mean, it's a better buy. But I think we short a little if we spike up to 222.60. Baba ripping. 222.60 Boeing. Little short. Baba. There goes Baba. All right. So Baba, oh man, right off the 65 EMA, 172.80. We put a little marker in Baba. We start looking far from moving average. 172.80, guys. 172.80. Little marker. We start looking. Myrna's coming in pretty good here, guys. All right, do it. Boeing, this pop up. If we spike up to 222.60. Yeah, SoFi looks good now. ABNB. Wow. All right, look for ABNB for the far from moving average trade, guys. It's got a 90 RSI, and it's $5 above the moving average. Keep your eyes on it. If you want to go in there, look for the 1 minute. Boeing's kind of hanging now. Kind of hanging. Baba, we want to buy on a pullback. Myrna. Ooh. All right. Myrna came close to that 394.50. You son of a beeswax. Ah, come on. That would have been the spot, guys and girls. Got the 394.88. We missed it by frickin' 33 cents. Cancel for now. Oh, that hurts. That one hurts, guys. You son of a you-know-what. Oh, I hate you. That would have been the end of the day. No question about it. All right. Look, I think Myrna can go lower. Doesn't look great, guys. So I think Myrna's a short. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. I'm trying to find some cheaper ones. All right, let's look at ABNB. All right, we can start looking far for moving average up here in ABNB. Put a little marker here. 151.20. Let's check the spread. Spread's not bad in this. So if we get a red bar, we can sell a little bit. You just did. You're in Airbnb short, Luke? What price? What price are you in Airbnb? 151. Okay. Haven't done anything yet. I'm looking for a red bar. Still hasn't given it to us. Wait, wait, wait. Be patient. Boeing. Keep your eyes on Airbnb for the red bar, guys. I'm switching around. Yeah, we had Boeing at 222.60. That would have been a nice little trade, right? Didn't get that. Damn. Missed it by a couple of pennies. Baba, still like that 172.80 to start looking. Mara. 34 is a good spot in Mara, guys. Yes. 34. JD is a trend trade, no question about it. Baba is a trend trade now, no question about it. Yeah, SoFi will sell a little above 15. No reversal in Airbnb yet, guys. So again, keep your eyes on it for the red bar. I haven't done anything yet. You know, if it gets to 152, we'll add another 5 shares and see what happens. But no reversal yet. Boeing, we're in a little Boeing. 222.60. All right. Start covering a little Boeing if we get to 40. This is just a trade. Covered a little Boeing at 40. Put Boeing out again at 20, guys. Break even stop now. Boeing at 20, break even stop. Try to get 40 cents on it. Baba. Myrna got right to the short line there, guys, at 398.75. Wow, perfect. Baba coming in like a hot potato. Where do we like Baba? 169 maybe? Well, look. ABNB finally turned. All right, there you go. I mean, not much, though. I mean, it gave you the far from moving average at like 151.99. Right? That's a very strong stock. Not much pullback at all. Not much pullback at all. I think it's a better buy, guys. Boeing. I mean, Airbnb. Cancel the short and Baba. Now, 153.19 Airbnb. We have a pivot point, so I kind of like that. Yeah, I mean, Boeing didn't give us much. You know, a couple of bucks, but Boeing is very strong. Baba would have been good on the pullback, but we didn't get it. Myrna was spectacular down there, but I don't know. It's kind of just sitting in the middle of everything. Yes, we're watching Baba for more of a pullback. What do we like? 168.40 in Baba? I think we like that. Yes. With a stop. We can size up a little bit too. 168.40, Baba. When should I sell my LMND? My average is 74. Look, you want my opinion? I sell half and I hold half. I always put money in the bank, guys. Always. PDD. All right, yeah. What do we got? 92.75 and 92 in PDD. Yeah, we're not getting Baba, guys. Don't worry about it. PDD 92.75 on the 9, small. 92.75. That's a trend trade. Yeah, B&B is strong, guys. I mean, it's ridiculously strong. Again, here's another spot you can start a little bit and then look again. All right. I mean, we're at a level here. It's getting really stretched. I did 10 shares. We'll look for the fall for moving average trade. I'll add at 154 and then definitely look for the fall for moving average trade. Put right around 40. Try to cover it at 153. Get 40 cents out of it if we can. Out of Airbnb for 40 cents. Okay. Obviously, Airbnb is a trend trade, yes. All right, we got 92.75 in PDD and then 92. So 92.75 is going to be small. We want to add at 92. Get there. $92, full trend trade. 100 shares. We get that. Okay, good. MRNA. Yeah, MRNA's not going down there again. Airbnb, Afghan free housing. All right, that's why it's up so much. Okie dokie. Kyle, we'll trade anything that sets up. I'll trade stocks I never heard of before. It doesn't matter to me. Any stock that sets up for one of our technical analysis, we will trade. You got a little JD on the trend, on the 9 anyway. Okay, good. Little JD on the 9. 71.80 is your ad. It's good. Yeah, Bob is messy now. Well, whatever it is, it's an Airbnb, it's temporary. So I don't know why it's up this much, but again, we just started a little more at 174, 154. I had 10 shares every 50 cents. Try to make 50 cents every time we do the trade. And you can look for moving average up here now. Of 153.50, we'll add at 154.50. See what the next move is. I don't know. Maybe you could sell some puts. It's definitely getting really stretched out now. Once again. Did we just miss PDD? No, we got it. We're in PDD at 92.70, something like that. All right, we're in a little PDD. We're looking to add at 92. It's good. Whoa. Sell a little PDD up here, guys. Take 50 cents on some. Boom. Just sold a little PDD, guys, for a 50-cent profit. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Wow. Sell a little more at 93.50 PDD. If we get there. Airbnb, we added a little 154.50. PDD, we just got out very nicely. Wow. Anyone get the PDD? That was spectacular. That was spectacular. Yeah, I'm just adding little bits in Airbnb up here. Sold 154, sold 154.50. Going to add a little at 155. Average is 154.25. Try to cover a little at 154.10. A little bit below our average. Nice job in PDD, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, Airbnb is a little ridiculous up here, but it's very strong. It's not really pulling back, so I'm not sizing up in this thing. 155.10 is daily. All right, that's when we can start looking for moving average in Airbnb. Because now we have like a 90 RSI in this thing. Look, you just got a little red bar up here. Tiny. But you can tell how strong the stock is, right? No pullback yet. Boeing. There was the far from moving average, guys, in Airbnb. Gave it to you about 154.90. But again, it's not pulling back that much. So, not ready yet. We'll sit for a little bit, see what happens. Made my first 40 bucks on PDD. Nice. So you got the little reversal in Airbnb, but you couldn't have got it to like 154.90. I mean, not exactly pulling back. This is just ridiculously strong. So we wait. 155.50 is the next spot to add a little bit. And I'll look far from moving average. Again. I don't know if there's a big short interest in Airbnb, but no pullback yet. Wow, look at PDD, guys. Holy crap, and dip me in it. Look at that. Just went up $2. PDD. Couldn't get 92. That would have been spectacular. Damn. Costco, MRNA, cancel Boeing. MRNA 391.10. Oh, everybody's got that. I love it. Let's do it. And hold nut on TSP. Good. All right. 391.20 MRNA. Nice job, Muhammad. 391.20. 391.20. Built this city. Yeah, I mean, Airbnb is not ready to come in yet, guys, so don't do anything. Yep. Yeah, I mean, the stock has not given more than a 30-cent pullback yet. So I have 10 shares. That's it. We'll add at 155.50. It is just incredibly strong. Yes, it is not a short. Let's wait. Let's wait. Look for other things to set up. Boeing could be a buy on a pullback. Wow, GameStop. Rippy, dippy, whippy. Holy mackerel. Wow. You're getting a little pullback in Airbnb now. 154.50 cover. If it pulls back. Just be careful, Lou. It's not giving much of a pullback here. GameStop, I can see at 181. That's a better buy. Yeah, AMC too. I like the freaking 40 calls in AMC. This morning we were talking about it. All right, stop is the high in Airbnb. Now you got the far from moving average trade. Let's see how much it pulls back. So it just gave it, guys, at 154.90. So far, it's giving you 40 cents. Big whoop. Yeah, I like AMC like 40 calls. Stock is finally trying to break out. Let's take a look. But it's been trying to break out a couple of times and has not. So the only way I would play it is our options. Yeah, see how expensive the 40 calls are that expire in 3 days? They're $1.40. That's whack. Whack, but it is breaking out. So better buy than sell, I would say, in AMC. Coin breaking out. Yes, give me a trade. Breakout isn't one of our trading setups. All right, everybody all right this morning? Good morning, right? Love it. Yeah, look at Airbnb, guys. It's just not ready to come in yet. It's ridiculously stretched, but I mean, it didn't pull in more than 30 cents, 40 cents. That's it. So it's just not a short. I don't know what to say. It's just not a short. Kara. Oh, I want to thank you guys who purchased our course yesterday. Great morning, all green. Good job, Diane. I will see you guys on Thursday night, my Benzinga people who purchased our course. Don't forget, we have mentorship every Thursday night with the course. So I will see you guys then, and thank you for purchasing. Oh, I left an order in Airbnb at 155.50. Oh, well. The MRNA do. Holy MRNA. That bounced. Didn't mean to have an order at 155.50. So I'll try to get 30 cents out of it. 55.20. All right. Got 30 cents out of it. Yeah, cancel MRNA. We ain't going in that direction. Just spiked up $6. David, I want to thank you. I can't wait till I can trade every day. All these day trading rules. Don't worry about it, Chris. You're good. You are good, Chris. If I said you're good, you're good. Kara, what do you got? 15.25? All right, if you're going to do Kara, I love 14.70. You got to do it with some size. NVIDIA. All right. I mean, I don't like maybe a double bottom in NVIDIA. It's been long enough, right? I don't know. It's taking its sweet ass time getting there. Let's see what happens. Yes, China was due. China was just an accident waiting to happen. I mean, it's not the first time that this has happened with China, right? And after a month or so, everything usually straightens out and you get big rallies. I don't even know, Sydney. We had about 7 trades already today. I think they were all good. I know they were all good. Airbnb is not ready to go down yet. I mean, we could keep shorting it for 30, 40 cents, but just not ready. SPRT, let me look. You can try a little SPRT on the trend. AMD, what do we got? Wow, AMD down from 109, 106.20 AMD, and we can be aggressive there, I think, guys. 106.20 AMD, full trade. I'm putting 100 out. If it gets there and it looks like it's holding it, I'm getting up to between 500 and 1,000 shares. You got 106.60 is the 200. All right, you can start a little there. That's fine. NVIDIA is printing money. It's printing money if you're making the right trades, sir. Yes, Anthony. New home sales coming out in 1 minute. All right, let's hope we get some volatility off new home sales, although I doubt we will. Yeah, again, I like AMC, guys. I mean, it broke out of a little level here. I think we see 40. Maybe not today. PDD, I like the trend now. If we get down to 92.80, All right, Joe. Not the 15 anymore. 92.80 PDD. I like. How do you place your order? So, yeah, you get used to it, Kyle. You get used to it. I'm going to put that out in PDD. 92.80. Takes time, like anything else. 92.80 PDD. That's the trend. I like it a lot. AMD's hanging. I'm in Airbnb again. Luke, what are you doing? You keep getting an Airbnb and making 20, 30 cents. Buy the freaking thing on a pullback. NVIDIA 213.64. Did NVIDIA do a double bottom, guys? No, not quite. Not quite. Would have been nice. Not quite. AMD, PDD. Come on, PDD. Go down $1. We'll buy a little on your trend. We swing in Zillow. I don't even know what Zillow is. SKYT. Now, I mean, we had some resistance in SKYT up at 26.80, but that stock's a better buy. It is a better buy than sell on a pullback. Methinks. Zillow. Zillow's a bloody mess. I don't see anything there right now. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. NVIDIA did the double bottom. Oh, yeah, it did, guys. Look at that. NVIDIA did a double bottom, went straight up $1.50. Look at that. All right? 215.35, 250 to the penny. It did a double bottom. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, you guys got it in the room? Jim, you got the double bottom? Anyone else get the double bottom in the video? Excellent, Jim. Oh, JD, look at your nice trend trade working out. Gorgeous. So a bunch of people got in this JD down here when it hit our trend on 9 and our 15 EMA. That was $72. It's now $73.50. Wow. Wow. That's all I have to say. Pfizer looks like a better sell than buy. I don't like it. Yeah, great trade. Great JD trend trade, guys. So, guys and girls, everything that we're talking about here and all these setups that you're seeing, and again, I trade very small amounts of stocks just to trade with my traders. I have people in my room trading 10 shares. I have people in my room trading 5,000 shares. So it's all about the technical analysis, and everything you're seeing here and every trade we did so far this morning was just based on our charts. That's it. Just have to learn how to read the charts. That's what this is all about. I hear you, Rich. AMD. Nothing. Boeing coming in. All right. I mean, Boeing just hit the 9, 221.75. Then you got 221.40. PDD's coming in. Let's see if we can get the smacker in PDD now. Made my day on 2 times on MRNA. Excellent. Get out of here like Vladimir. 92.70 is the actual level in PDD. 92.70. All right, we bought some PDD here. 92.61 was the actual level. So let's see what happens. 50-cent stop in PDD. Oh, I got 200 shares. I don't think I wanted to have 200 shares. We'll see what happens. So we're in 92.70 is our average. We will have a 92.20 stop in this thing. If it breaks this trend, it's probably going lower. I don't know. I bought more stock than I wanted to. We'll see what the next move is. Get up to 92.80. I'm going to start selling a little bit because our average is around 92.70. Sold a little at 92.80. Let's see if it holds a trend here. Put a little at 92.90, guys, just to lighten up a little more. Yeah, I got to see here now. You know, this thing really needs to hold like 92.60. So, and it's got to get above 92.90 to get back in the trend. I'm going to give it a minute here. We built this city. Yeah. I'm probably going to have like a 92.40 stop in this thing now. Let's not give it a lot of room. We need back above 92.90. Oh, give us one trend that works nicely today. There we go. Sold a little at 92.90. All right. All right. Now we have a 92.40 stop, guys. That's it. Because we made a little bit of money. Keep it at 92.40. 92.40, we break even on the trade. Yeah, guys, when I get in one trade, I kind of want to just concentrate on this and play it out. Let's see what happens. Now we need above 93.15 to get back in the up trend. So keep this one tight now. Out, 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 out. 92.40. All right, good. Didn't cost us anything. We'll look for a lower level now. So yeah, I wasn't crazy about it. That's why we took our profits. We made 30 cents. We lost 30 cents. Let's look for another level now. 15-minute is 91.80. So maybe we take a look there. Now, let's see what the next move is. Again, that's how we play a trend trade, guys. We made 25 cents. We lost 25 cents. Now it's ripping right back up. ABNB, stop trying to short this. Come on, PDD. Really? You had to fake us out like that? All right. What else? We broke even on the trade. Next. AMD. Cancel. Apple off the 15. Nice. Yeah, AMD still looks weird to me. Coin. Coin just bounced a little bit off that 260 for a short, but all right, you got a couple of bucks. Tesla. Wow, Tesla. Tesla's beautiful, guys. Yep. I mean, 720 would be a little short in Tesla, but it's a much better buy. Much better buy. Will Amazon break up or down? I don't know. Deer. I think it's down $6. Do we want to buy? Oh, yeah. Oh, I hate you. Deer, what do we got? 367.45. Yeah, let's try a little deer there. Down $6. All right. 367.45. All right, we'll try a little deer on the trend, 367.45 if we go in that direction. Yeah, PDD's fighting. It didn't really break anything. Made it look weak for a minute, though. Missed Apple by 13 cents. Sava. Nah, I don't know about Sava here, guys. Yeah, PDD's working, not working, working, not working. I don't know. Whatever. We follow our rules. Once it broke the trend, which it broke by more than 50 cents, we get out. We didn't even give it 50 cents. It's just our rules on the trade. That's the rules for a trend trade. When it breaks it, we get out. It's working now. Yes. If you stayed with it, you're okay. Sava. Sava's not doing anything. Lou, did you give up shorting on Airbnb yet, please? Jeez Louise. Some stocks just are not going down. I mean, at least we recognized it and we're not fighting it anymore. It's just not working. I said to stay away from it and stop trying to short it. It's not working. OSTK. Yeah, Overstock's a bloody mess. I don't see it. Oh, OSK. I'm sorry. Oh, OSK just bounced off that 113.20. Otherwise, I'm not seeing much there. You're short right now in ABNB. It sounds to me like you've been short all morning. All right, we got a little deer at 367.50. We'll see what the next move is. Let's see. I got 50 shares of deer. I'm giving it $1 in deer. Weird stock too. Weird stock. The stock just go down $5, right? $366.50 stop in deer. I don't know. I don't know. And this is what this stock does. It's very strange. It's just all over the place. And it's got a huge spread. So remind us not to trade deer anymore. Well, it hasn't hit 366.50 yet. Got the 366.51. It's too spready. All right. What's FDE? Look, it was a good spot. The stock went down $7. I'm going to make that trade every time. Sava down $6. Let's look. Yeah, Sava's a better short, though. I don't like short Sava. Sava looks like it's going lower. What human sound effects? Built this city. You sound like my Italian friend Jerry. Yo, Jerry, what's the story? We're starting to lose volume and stuff now. What's the market doing? Yeah, market's going back up, kind of just hanging. That's a little one. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. We're in a double bottom. All right, let's look. We're in a double bottom works. Let's keep our eyes on it. I like it. I like it. I like it. AMD cancel buy. All right. DC just hit bottom. How do you know it's a bottom? I mean, if you get a bounce off the VWAP, the pivot point here, it looks all right. You're still short in ABNB? Well, now it made a little reversal there for $1. So I am not muted. Am I muted, guys? Am I muted over in Benzinga? Check Benzinga, check Benzinga, check Benzinga. Check, 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 check. Give me some ones if you can hear me. Thank you. If you are muted, guys, it's because there's something wrong with your connection over there. Kara? No, I don't like Kara down here. Yeah, WDC's bouncing 30 cents off our little pivot point down there. That was nice. Baba, better buy still, stretching to the upside. 172.80 is a short in Baba. We got a little level up there if we go in that direction. JD. Yeah, JD is much stronger than Baba. Very nice off the JD trend. Spicy meatball. Earn nothing. NVIDIA. Dead. VSCO. Let's look. Guys, every trade we do is not going to be a winning trade. We wouldn't be human if we didn't have losing trades. It's how you handle them. Keep everything nice and tight. We're still very green for the day. You keep things small when I tell you to keep them small. VSCO. Sorry, Perry. Check the volume and the spread in this thing. 71.50 would be a good short in VSCO. But again, it's a better buy than sell. Right? PDD's on every side of the trend now. I don't like it. Tiger. Tiger, if you like it, you buy a little. I don't see anything. Lou, you finally got a little pullback in Airbnb. How many times did you have to try it before you got it is my question. Crazy. 5 times. Nice. UPST. Where you got 214 in UPST, BB? You have a level there? I mean, I like it. It would be $6 above the moving average. Do you have a level there? Tell me, tell me, tell me. I don't have a pivot point there. Yeah, I got 217.80 also. You know, even Deer, we were right. It just had to break a little bit lower. It happens. You know what we do? We got stopped out by 22 cents. And it would have worked for $1 trade. But you can't look back. Next. Tesla 709. Well, that is the trend if you're a Tesla guy. Not for me, but yeah, around 709. Tesla is good. Time frame goes in automatically, Julie. There's no special time frame for pivot points. Yeah, I mean, Airbnb to me made my day. David, you're a natural treasure. Thank you, Anthony. I mean, we have nothing in Airbnb down to 154.80. Sometimes these things hang on to 1 minute. You know, around 157. If it holds, it's probably okay. That's the 1 minute trend line. But now we wait. That was finally the pullback. Stock went down $1. Deer hit the 200 on what, Joseph? On a different time frame, maybe? 15 minute? 15 minute was nice at that 366 and change. And the 30 minute was nice. Yeah. All right. Look, we went for the trend trade. I didn't want to add. I guess we could have added on the 30 minute. It would have been a home run. But next, guys. Next. 1 out of 7 is okay for the day. UPST, you have a pivot at 215.50. Yeah, we ain't going in that direction anyway. Yeah, Tesla's trying to pull back to the trend. I mean, 709 would be your trend trade in Tesla now. $6 from the high, and it'll hit the trend. Again, I'm not a Tesla trader. It's too expensive for me. JD pulling back. Let's look. Yeah, JD's pulling back a little. So your trend now is 72.90 and 72.60. So JD, I like it to 72.60. That is the 15-minute trend. We'll do that. And it'll be down $1.20 from where we just were. We are starting to lose a little volume, but I'm still going to try trends. It's very early. Can someone tell me why mining stocks are down? I don't know, Mohammed. Sally bought some AMD here for a Momo trade, 108.26. You guys know that's not my cup of tea. Stop order, Sally, please. We missed far from moving average on crowd. Yeah, we can't be everywhere, Diana. You know what I'm saying? But we certainly did. And now it's just kind of breaking through the little trend here now, too. Down $4. Yeah, a little wackadoodle day going on right now. But that was definitely a nice far from moving average trade in crowd. All right, Sally, good. So Sally's only risking 30 cents on his AMD here, guys. Trying to get a breakout with only a 30-cent risk. I like that. Give me some mining stocks. Let me take a look at them. Crypto just bounced. BTBT. Buy BTBT at 1060. All righty. Not for me, but okay. How do you set the trend lines, pivot points? I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys, okay? When we slow down a little bit. Yeah, Mara just bounced. Oh, we're talking about Mara and Wright. Yeah, okay. I got you. They trade exactly with Bitcoin, though. Bitcoin's down from the highs. So Mara and Riot are down from the highs. And they're all bouncing now because Bitcoin's bouncing. Did it. Sally, first target in AMD for those who joined. That 108.80 would be nice, I think. Anybody grab the AMD with Solomon? I canceled JD. We're not getting it. 108.50, 108.90 for Sally. Baba. Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey. Yeah, Bobby's doing the JD thing. So we have one nice resistance level in Baba, guys. If we go to the daily chart, it's 172.70. Can't believe it's up $20 from yesterday. Oh, what a moron I am. Yeah, 172.70 is daily resistance. And then we got room, guys and girls, to 179. So it's just a better buy. I want to be long, Baba, not short. I don't even want to short it at one. Well, 172.70 is going to be $2 above the moving average. So let's put a little marker up there in Baba. It goes fast. I kind of like it for a trade. It's a pretty big level. So a little AMD at 108.50. Next spot, 108.90. Good call, Solomon. Yeah, you got 25 cents looking for 50 cents on the next. NVIDIA breaking out. It's trying. Yep. So NVIDIA above 218.70 is probably a better buy. You know, it would have been a good short if we spiked right up there. But now, we know NVIDIA. This thing has a mind of its own, right? It gets going, it just goes. It goes, it goes, it goes. So all my Benzinga peeps, next week is my boot camp. We don't have any visitors. That's where I teach the entire course live. We have no visitors. But what I'll do is for the rest of this week, before we finish, I'll let you guys come into the room for the rest of this week to visit. My room is full. We don't have any visitors at all anymore. But I'll give you guys the rest of this week. Remind me before we leave. I will give you the link for that. Of course, anyone who purchases our course is welcome to join our room after they purchase the course. That is included. I mean, it's not included at the same price, but you have preference to get in. Our room is at capacity. So I'll let some more visitors come in every once in a while, but that's about it. Yes, great call on AMD, Mr. Solomon. Boom chakalaka. Our boot camp starts on Monday, JJ, but, you know, that's for only people who have signed up for our room for a month and the boot camp. It is Monday. CLSK, I think it may be good to buy in a pullback. Let's look. Mohammed, CLSK. All right. Again, that wouldn't be a day trade for me, but I like it. It looks good. Just broke out above the daily. Looks aight. It looks aight. AMD over 110 today. Well, look, that was a spot to sell your stock, most of it. Now see if it sets up. No, boot camp is the same thing I'm doing right now. We trade the markets live and we do our boot camp all next week. So like once I finish up with you guys at about 11 o'clock, then I do a morning lesson for everybody. Take lunch, do an afternoon lesson, rinse and repeat for 5 days. That's the live boot camp. Let's try to get a couple more trades and then we'll talk about that stuff before I get out of here, guys. Yeah, Baba's going really slow up here now. Again, I want to be long Baba. I want to be long at 152 from yesterday. That's what I want. How about Airbnb? Zero pullback. None. This thing's getting ridiculous, no? I mean, all this is because of what's going on. It's crazy. I think 160, I'm starting a little Airbnb. That would be a little redundant in my mind. TCAT, Amazon, Pfizer. AMD's going to 110 today. All right, see if it consolidates here a little bit, BB, and then buy some. Right? See if we get some consolidation here a little bit. Pfizer looks like a downtrend. I do not like it for a trade. Amazon, nobody in this room is going to trade it because it's too expensive, but it looks great. Amazon looks like a buy on a pullback. BPTH. BPTH is the kind of stock, if you like it, you buy it, you put it away, Gavin. I don't, you know, we're not something we're going to trade. TCAT, a couple of people just mentioned. Same thing in TCAT. Right? This thing had its moments, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it had one moment where it went to 74. I'll tell you what, they have options in TCAT. Maybe we throw a couple bucks at it. Let's take a look. I don't know if they do or not. No options. I was going to say buy some 10 calls. I'm sell short AMD from yesterday. Well, it gave you a shot this morning to get out. Look, yesterday was the day, Happy. We talked about it in the room. You know, yesterday was the day. I can't chase these stocks now. You know, Bob was up $20 from yesterday's low. I missed it. We didn't get it, but I can't buy it up here now. No way, no high. I can't. Yesterday was the day, not when they're up $11 and $12. All right, cancel Bob. We ain't going in that direction. Where we shorting UPST, guys? Didn't you guys have something up here? Yeah, Hinks, it's not something that we can trade every day, Amazon. It just doesn't work for most people. Yeah, you can do options. Oh, we're definitely shorting UPST at 217.80. Let's have that out there. Even the options are very expensive, though, in Amazon. 1780 UPST. Getting going again there, Matt. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, you know, we talked about this one yesterday when it got above like 47. This thing looks good. All right. Do they have hood options? I think they have hood options, but probably going to be expensive too now. $3. I think we missed the boat on this one too. If anything, I'd look 50 calls for the rest of this week for 85 cents in hood. Decent market that could see 50 tomorrow. You got the hood calls yesterday. Good job, Matt. Yeah, hood could see 50, AMC 40, which we mentioned this morning. Dolphin's another one, Joe. If you like it, you buy it, you put away. Not something that we're going to day trade, but all these things have had their moments, and some of them are picking up again. Right? Market's at all-time highs again. What else is new? That happens every single day, right? Dixie's hanging in, not doing much. Oh, I want to be long, Baba. 20 points ago. You stink on ice. JD, the beautiful trend is just continuing. So a bunch of people are in this JD from the morning, guys, at the 72 level on our trend, and you're still in it. There's no reason to sell any. It's up $2. And, you know, we've sold some to take profits, but you stay in that trade. When a stock is in a trend, you don't get out of that stock if you're in it until it breaks the trend. It's that simple. That's how you get the most out of your winning trades, especially a trend trade. We are starting to lose volume now in a bunch of stuff. AMD 109.61. Yeah, I mean, I wanted it to go sideways here a little bit more, but there's no reason to get out of the rest of your trade now. You just trail your stop up. This thing could go back to 111 today, Sal, if the market's good. All right? It was just a great call. You're up over $1 now. Spectacular. Naked is not something we're ever going to talk about in this room at 62 cents. I wish everybody who has it the best of luck. Oh, Steve, I'm with you. 100%. Look, my specialty is teaching people who've never done this before how to trade and newbies. That's why I trade very small amounts of shares so that it's not intimidating to people who are walking in and seeing thousands of dollars being swung around. That doesn't help anybody. I teach more people who have no experience or little experience than I do my experienced guys. My experienced guys come in the room. Some of them make $1 million, over 7 figures every year trading with me. And I have people who trade 10 shares. So, you know, I cater to the people who are just trying to learn how to do this and who are struggling. But the more you do it, the easier it becomes, Steve. It's just like anything else. You know, and I'll say this, for people who are trying to do this, either full-time or part-time for a living, you got to have some kind of mentorship, right? I certainly suggest starting out with our course. That will teach you how to trade, and you can do it at your own pace, and you get me every Thursday night for mentorship. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. So that is for everybody. It's only like $440. It's 6 hours of instruction, and you get me every Thursday night. I bought the course and on my second month in the room. Yeah, Paul. The course will get you on your way, even if you've never traded before. And then if it's something that you want to do and pursue, you try to get into the trading room, which is $500 a month, but that includes a boot camp every single month. So you start with the course. You're more advanced, you want to hang out with us and trade every day, you sign up for the room. I've been waiting and choosing only stocks. We've been getting stopped out. Why, Joe? You got to do every single trade. We had 6 trades today. We lost money in 1. Right? I've made enough money to pay for it so far. There you go. That's good. That's good, guys. Again, the only way to put the odds in our favor is by doing every trade that sets up for my regulars. You guys know that. You can't pick and choose which trades you want to do. That doesn't put the odds in our favor. Got to do every single trade. Yeah, Julie, if you do that at the beginning, which most people don't, that's the problem. Most people go into this blind, not knowing what the hell they're doing. They lose all their money, and then they try to learn how to do it. Trust me, I'll save you a lot more money. Okay? I'll save you a lot more money than you're going to spend learning how to trade with me that you won't lose. I've been Dave's student last 3 months full time, and it's changed my investing life. There you go. Thank you, Diana. Appreciate it. Most of the feedback we get is positive, about 99.9%. Yeah, UPST pulled back a little bit. Cancel Airbnb. That ain't happening. I was still green trading in the room. Yeah. I hear you. UPST, what do you want to buy? Ken, my trend is 212, 211.91. You got a fib there? Yeah, that's true too, Ramon. That is true. Look, I would love to do a webinar for Benzinga outside of hours where I can just sit and talk to you guys for a couple of hours about different trading accounts, about what we do, about all that stuff. I would do that anytime Aaron and Spencer would have me. You know, we'll do it at 5 o'clock at night. We can spend a couple of hours together. I have no problem doing that. I highly recommend the trading room. Just wish I would have taken the course. Now I hear you, Julie. Futu. I'll talk to Aaron and Spence about it. Yeah, take a couple of hours one night. I mean, there's what, 500 people in here now? You know, if we could advertise it a little bit, we'll get 1,000, 1,500 people, and it'll help everybody. Futu is just a better buy, guys. It is not a sell. It's in a trend trade. The stock is going higher. Like almost everything else we're looking at. TTD. Yeah, kind of a trend trade. Futu been long. Good. Good. JD. Putting a buy on the 9 to get back in. 73.40 and 73 is good. Is Thinkorswim a good software for day trading? I would say Robinhood is very bad. I would say Thinkorswim is good. I have Interactive Brokers. This is my live trading account. I have $27,100 in it. Every time I make a trade, it's with real money. We put up all our trades before we get in them. There's no front running here. 156.77 in Airbnb is the trend. Yes. Yes. Interactive Brokers Pro, Michael. Interactive Brokers Pro is what we use, what I use for trading. Hood. All right. I mean, Hood 49.26 could be a little spot. We just said Hood's can go to 50. We missed out on those options. Again, I think Hood's a better buy because I don't see how it's not going to hit 50. There's 490 people in here and only 105 push like. Wow. All the stocks we're looking at, guys and girls, can I say something right now? Okay. I know I would have said to buy the Hood 50s when we were at $47. I like that this morning. You know, we're going to look to short these things to make it 25 or 30 cents. They're all buys. We got to get pullbacks in these things and get long. I said it yesterday, too. There's no money to be made short in these things. Right? Even the Hood 50 options that we just looked like probably went up 50 cents right now. What were they, $1.20, something like that? They were $1. Now they're $1.25. So there you go. They just went up 25 cents. But instead of trying to fight these things to make 50 cents or 30 cents on a pullback, we got to get long them when the opportunity presents itself. Now, you know, that might have left town already. I don't know. It's possible. But we need pullbacks to start getting long these things. Everything that we're looking at. AMC pulling back a little bit. Skills, Donkey Kong. Okay. Donkey Kong again. Better buy than sell. AMD trying to get long at the VWAP. Yeah, 108.25 is good in AMD if you like it. What is the link to yesterday's swing lesson? It's not ready yet, but BB, I will let you know what it is. We just did it. We got to edit it. Roman's got to edit it a little bit. And then I'll make it available to everybody. You guys, anyone who purchases the course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy gets me on every Thursday night for our mentorship. We record those meetings in case you're not around, so you can go back and look at them. All right, how's everybody in my room sitting this morning that's done the trades? Where are we sitting, guys? Talk to me. Long Baba. Everybody should be long Baba. All right. Everybody's doing good, great, and green. Good. Green, of course. Matan, small red. You must have missed some trades. Green, green, just sort of my goal. Green, 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 green. Good. Good, 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 good. Keep in mind, guys, that there are a bunch of... No, I'm not going to talk about that now. Small green, strange market. Yeah, it's okay. I like Carter. Green AF. Again, Baba, we had a little resistance at 172.90. It's above that. The next spot in Baba is like 180. So again, we want to be long Baba if we get a pullback. Guys, the only way you couldn't be green trading with us today is if you're not doing all the trades. Got to do all the trades that's set up. Yeah, Riot. No, I wouldn't short Riot. No, no, no. Riot looks like a better buy to me. MRNA. Do we like the double bottom in MRNA? Or we already did that, basically. 390, 375. I mean, I guess we could have tried it if it went straight there. I like the way SoFi is looking, guys. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, I mean, we need above 15 to break out in SoFi. That's why I'd sell a little more there. You know, it's almost $1 profit from our average. You're missing some cash crops. I don't know what a cash crop is. No, Hannah. Anything we do in this room is short term. Okay? We are day trading. So we're looking to capture anywhere between 25 cents and $2 on every single trade that we do. If we're in trend trades, we want to capture multiple dollars. You know, we're in this, people in the room are in the trend trade at JD at basically 72. They're up almost $2 on that trade today. We didn't have enough of deer today. Very small 364.11 deer. All right, that is the 65 EMA. Okay. Do 25 shares, we'll give it $1 stop. I mean, if it holds that level, we could get a decent bounce. Just do it very small, guys. It's still a setup. Setup, I'm going to do it. So, just do it small. Tilray, blast for the past. MRNA, what do we got, MRNA? 390.75 in MRNA. Did MRNA just do the double bottom or triple bottom? 390.375, 393. Work for a quick $1.50 off the old double bottom. Oh. I know it worked, and it worked very, very fast. 30 more likes. We have 500 viewers and only 171 likes. That's a shame. Hood, again, Hood to me looks like it's consolidating to go higher. So Hood's a trend trade. 48 and 47.60. We can grab a little hood. 48 and 47.60. Joe, you got the double bottom in Myrna? Nice job, buddy. Excellent. TSP. This is like a lot of the charts we're looking at, right, Joe? It just looks great. It's on an uptrend. I mean, it looks great. Pulled back to our trend at 45.40. So again, look at this one, guys. This hit our trend down here at 45.40. You can still be long. It's trading at $47. This looks like one of 50 stocks that we're looking at today that all look exactly the same to me. Crazy. Yeah, I haven't even looked at a pot stock in months because the stocks haven't done anything. 0.0. Myrna's going lower. I don't know. Someone give me another spot in Myrna. Cancel and Deer. We just bounced. That ain't happening. And Baba got above that 172.80. Just a buy. Ay, ay, ay. AMC, AMD flattening out. Look, AMD was a good trade for, 50 cents to $1. That's all he made. Now it's kind of just sitting doing nothing. NVIDIA, another one of my favorite stocks. Coming down from 219.50. 217.50, I like NVIDIA. And again, we've been on both sides of this thing, so be careful. I don't know, Myrna's. If we go to a daily chart in Myrna, which we will, tell you what we got to hold. 389 is what we have to hold in Myrna, which I would like to buy for a trade now, right? 389 is the daily. I think that's a good spot, guys, in Myrna. 389. A little Myrna out of 389. That's the daily support level. And it's down $4 from here. 4 hour in Myrna. 390.72. All right. There's a little spot there. So, guys, you see how we're everybody, even the people who are visiting in the room today, okay? Everything we do is about technical analysis. So we start on a 5-minute chart. So someone in my room said, Dave, look at the 4-hour chart, and we got a support level there at 391. Could get a nice bounce off that at 391. So one of the things we teach you both in the course and in the boot camp is how to read your charts after we put all our technical analysis in. And then it's just a matter of getting used to doing it. I like the daily a little better down there in Myrna, yes. But stuff we teach in the course, we get your chart set up. We teach you how to look at your charts. We teach you how to read your charts. Same stuff that we do in the boot camp. ABNB. If I can get it right. Yeah, just missed a 9er. Not quite there. U is moving. Yeah, again, look at you guys. Okay, pull back, hit our trend line. It's up $1 from that. Perfect, perfect uptrend. Like most everything else we're looking at. Hood. Okay. What do we got in Hood? We got 47.50 is the trend, 47.40. That'll be down from 49. We're doing it. Little Hood. 47.60. At 47.60 and 47.40 in Hood. $47.60, $47.40. We'll do 50 shares each. That's the trend. 147.40. Let's see if we can get in here. Now, if it holds a little 9 here at 48.80, you're probably okay. At 47.80. 393 was a spot in MRNA. Now you tell me? Yeah, it's going below that anyway. NVIDIA, TME. And NVIDIA almost got to that 217.50, bounced a little bit. Want. No good. TME. TME is a nice little uptrend, Joe. I don't think I'd day trade it, but looks good if you want to buy a little bit, put it away. All right, MRNA, come on. Hit that daily level at 389. All right, Hood, we're going to leave 47.40 out for a couple minutes. See if we get the smack down there. MRNA, we're buying 389. All right, a couple of things real quick, guys and girls, because I only have a few minutes left with you, my Benzinga people. So I want to show you guys the course first. Guys, this is spectacular, okay? WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. This is a course that me and Peter have curated. It's over 6 hours of content. I'll show you when you get into the members area what it looks like. This is the course, guys. Over 6 hours. Every single thing that we talk about is a video that explains it in great detail. And we start with the basics, stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, charts, our trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin. Most important part of this, guys, okay? Every Thursday night, once you're a member, you're going to hit this at 5 p.m., and we're going to get continued mentorship every Thursday night for as long as we are here, included forever. So once you purchase this course, you get me every Thursday night to teach you exactly what we're talking about and answer any questions that you have. It is by far the best course I've ever done. It is selling very, very well. I think the cost is, we've discounted it 10% for Benzinga. Let me make sure. I mean, this is the best. If you want to learn how to trade, guys, it's $447. You're going to learn how to trade from this, and you're going to get me every Thursday night. So that's the course, $447. It's over 6 hours. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. All right. Anyone who buys that, you'll get me every Thursday night. Mentorship forever. All right. What are we doing in MRNA? Are we going to get this or what? All right. I like hood at 47.40, guys. It's fine. That's the trend. 388.85 is daily. Yeah, that's why we're out at 389, so giving it a minute. I ain't giving it forever at 389 either. Let's see what happens. We built this city. Yeah, I like hood, guys. If we can get down here, another 30 cents. I like it for a trade. The course is awesome. Invest in your future. Thursday nights are spectacular. Yeah, Thursday nights are great, man. We get a lot done on Thursday nights with the mentorship. A lot. Yes, I'm trying to buy a little MRNA if we spike down to 389 in the next minute or two. And MRNA, you know you got to give room. It's a $390 stock. Somebody just hit the buy button in Tesla. Yes, somebody just hit the buy button in Tesla. Double bottom in AMD. That might work. Coming down from 109, right? If it went fast, I would like it. Yes. Yeah, so if you look at my order box, everybody, this tells you the trades that I'm looking to do. All right, so buy MRNA 389, 25 shares. Buy hood 47.40, 50 shares. That tells you what I'm looking to do. So if you just look at my ordering box, you'll see every trade that we have that we're willing to do. And I am trading live with all my traders all day long. This is what we do. We look for trades all day. Yeah, Hood's bouncing a little bit. I'll give Hood another minute here. Give Hood another minute. Giving MRNA another minute. Don't you dare bounce from here, MRNA. Look, if MRNA bounce from here, I don't like it. Give it another 20 seconds. And that order box connected. No, I use Interactive Brokers. So the order box is connected to my Interactive Brokers account. Kiss my ass, Myrna. Pardon my language, guys and girls. Cancel and cancel. Look at Myrna, guys. Really? We got to 389.23 and bounced the dollar. We missed it by 23 cents and bounced a straight dollar. Again, that's going to happen to us sometime. The daily was 389.23. Really? Oh, no. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. Happens. Oh, one more thing I want to tell you guys before we leave. Okay. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. We're going to post that up there. Go purchase the course. I'll see you on Thursday nights. Okay. Long some AMD here. All right. Good. See what happens. If you want to take down my email, and this is the last week we're taking visitors, and it's by appointment only, dgreen927@yahoo.com. All right. Maybe we can get them to post that. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Send me an email, and as I have room, I will let you in for a 5-day trial. Okay? If you get back to me today, I'll let you finish out the rest of this week. All right? dgreen927@yahoo.com. Send me an email. I'll let you come into the trading room this week to hang out for the next 3.5 days. Otherwise, WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. Purchase the course. I'll see you on Thursday nights. We'll get Muhammad or someone to post both those things up there. Wall Street Global Trading Academy and dgreen927@yahoo.com. So now Murda went right through that level. There you go. Thank you very much. Benzinga, WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. Purchase the course. I'll see you Thursday night. Email dgreen927@yahoo.com. I will let you guys come in for a 5-day trial when we have time. And of course, last but not least, how do you display, how many monitors? How many display monitors? I have 2, Joe. One that everybody sees where I'm sharing all my trades, and one that has all my other stuff on there. Cindy, you are banned for the room forever. Just so you know. Yeah, I have 2 monitors, one for each eye. We don't usually trade penny stocks, Jude. Post email. Can you post the email for me to Aaron, dgreen927@yahoo.com, please? dgreen927@yahoo.com. Facebook Trend Trade. Thank you very much, Benzinga. Last thing I want to talk about, okay, is Benzinga. Right? I don't know how many of you guys are here for the first time or how many of you guys who keep coming back to Benzinga time and time again. Facebook 366.40, you can try a little bit. Yes, that is the trend. But I could not trade without having Benzinga Pro, guys. Couldn't do it. It is the best for, oh, there's Aaron. It is the best for scanners. You can put things in there that you wouldn't have believe that give us trades sometimes that are unbelievable. And the news service is second to none. It is just spectacular. And you get a 2-week free trial. So it's,
yep, and I posted that link in there as well, David. Looked like we had some movers today between Robinhood, Baba. What else were we trading this morning?
MRNA, of course, Robinhood, Baba, Hood. I don't know. I think there were like 6 or 7 that gave us some nice setups. So.
Do you think this strong trend in BABA continues throughout the day, or will we see some volume come out?
Well, here we go. I mean, I went to look. Now, this is a big move from yesterday. Right? We're up 20 points from yesterday's lows. But I went to my daily chart, and we're having a little resistance right here, which is normal. Right at this 173 level, that's normal after this giant move up. What I'd like to see is go sideways here a little bit, without having a big pullback, and then I think we could see 180 maybe in the next few days. But this is a big move, and this is far, and this is fast. So I wouldn't be surprised if it rested a little before it kept going up.
I'm hitting myself. I had some 175 calls that I sold yesterday, in the afternoon when the stock started kind of trading sideways for a second. And, those would have been up a lot today. But, you live and learn.
Yeah, you can't look back. I mean, we yesterday was the 6th day down in a row. It had a relative strength of like 17, and it hit a level that we liked on our charts, and we didn't do anything either. So it happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you kick yourself for every good trade that you miss, you'll be kicking yourself all day long.
Well, and the big thing is I still took a profit on it, just not as big of a profit as I should have. All right, David. Well, thank you again for joining us this morning. I believe you will be back with us tomorrow at what, 10:30 to 11?
Yes,
10:30 to 11. We got SPACs Attack coming up now. Chris is back. Chris and Mitch will be discussing different SPACs with potential. So don't go anywhere. This stream will automatically redirect you there. David, have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for the opportunity again, Aaron. See everybody tomorrow morning.
Always. And go check out Wall Street Global Trading Academy, Benzinga family.